Okay, so I'm back again. Hi. I'm here with an update for GeoTools 34.0, which we just released in September. And it's really nice to give an update on some of these low-level libraries that get work done. GeoTools is the Java library that does all the GIS stuff. Open source library, standards compliant, all the good things. And we've been around for a really long time, since like the mid-90s, before I joined the project, certainly. So we're part of the infrastructure, part of the bedrock. One recent change we've done is we've had to refactor our library due to some, legal challenges from OGC. We had to rename our packages from Org OpenGIS to Org GeoTools API. So we did that with some funding from OSGeo back in GeoTools 3.0. So if you haven't updated for a while, you've got some imports to change. I also felt a little bit bad. Everyone else had code examples, so I'll try and have some code examples. We have had some recent security vulnerabilities. So this is one that had to do with XPath expressions, and this actually caused considerable disruption to society, which is alarming for us. I've got a talk this afternoon about how to handle security vulnerabilities as a community, but if you haven't updated, please do. And similarly, we had another security vulnerability this year, which we talked about in March or June. So please update GeoTools. Security vulnerabilities can happen at all levels of the software stack. This one here was addressed by GeoServer security. This one affected GeoServer and GeoNetwork. For GeoTools 34, we've actually updated our image processing engine to ImageN, which is no surprise if you were here a few minutes ago. That also involved updating our version of Java to Java 17, and our image.io, the library, the one that does a lot of the geospatial formats also. Part of the update to Java 17, we're able to take use of some of the new Java 17 features that makes, the code look a little bit more pretty. And we've been having a good time keeping our library up to date. Another big change that makes GeoTools easier for folks to use is called the Maven Bill of Materials. So we've got a bill of materials that controls all our third-party dependencies. So it's much easier for you to make use of GeoTools in your project and have like the same version of the Postgres driver that we've tested with. And similarly, we use the bill of materials for GeoTools itself. So it's much easier to use GeoTools and have everything in sync. We've switched out the raster processing engine from JAI to ImageN, which you've just heard about. And that's it for my talk. The project is going well. Thank you.